Welcome to Parsimony, your all-in-one business management solution. In this tutorial, we'll explore the payment term function in the Accounting Master module of Parsimony. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how to set up and manage payment terms in Parsimony. Let's start by navigating to the Accounting Master module in the Parsimony dashboard. Click on the Accounting Master module to access the necessary functions. The Accounting Master dashboard provides a centralized location to manage all accounting-related settings and configurations. To set up your payment terms, click on the Payment Term option. This is where you define the terms and conditions for payment agreements with your customers or suppliers. In the Payment Term list, you'll find the existing payment terms that have been set up in Parsimony. Let's go through the process of adding a new payment term. To create a new payment term, click on the New button. This will open a new payment term entry form. In the payment term entry form, you'll need to fill in several fields to define the characteristics of the term. Start by entering a descriptive name for the payment term in the term name field. This could be a name that represents the specific payment arrangement, such as net 30 or 50% deposit. Invoice portion, the portion of the total invoice amount for which this payment term should be applied. The value given will be regarded as percentage. For example, 50 is equal to 50% of the invoice or order's grand total. Specify the basis for calculating the due date in the due date based on field. You can choose options such as days after invoice date, days after the end of the invoice month, or months after the end of the invoice month. Specify the default credit days for the payment term in the default credit days field. This determines the number of days allowed for payment after the invoice date. If you offer additional discounts for early payments, you can enter the discount percentage in the additional discount percentage field. Provide a brief description of the payment term in the description field. This helps you and others understand the purpose or conditions associated with the term. Once you have entered all the necessary information, click on the Save button to save the payment term. You will now see the newly added payment term in the list. You can continue adding payment terms in a similar manner to accommodate different payment agreements. Congratulations! You've successfully set up your payment terms in the Accounting Master module of Parsimony. Now you can easily define and manage your payment agreements with customers and suppliers. Thank you for watching this tutorial.